Out with the old and in with the new. This is the crunchy curly amber of the early 2000s, when this was pretty much my entire hair care routine, and that crunchy crispy look is what turned me off from wearing my hair curly, but it was the only way I could control my wavy combo curly hair. So now we're going to try this Dream Coat for curly hair, which is supposed to give me all the control but none of that crisp. So let's put them to the test. This side is getting the gel, and this side is getting the Dream Coat for curly hair by Color Wow. Smells like jungle juice and bad decisions. Now the Dream Coat Curly. Honestly, it's so light, it's making me a little bit nervous. Just look at the difference. This is crispy. My ends look dry and matted together. It sounds like it's heavy, and it is. It feels crunchy, flat against my head. This side with the Dream Coat Curly is soft, it's shiny, light, full. I don't feel, honestly, like I have any product on my hair. Shake it out a little bit, and I'm not gonna get frizzy. This looks like healthy, wavy hair. I can't believe that I ever walked around with my hair like this. Why? When there's this.